Modern electric cars are shockingly quick. Gone are the days when electric vehicles were seen as slow or boring. Today, even entry-level EVs can deliver a thrilling burst of acceleration that surprises first-time drivers and passengers alike. Family saloons can out-accelerate supercars from a decade ago, making every green light feel like a launch event. The instant response from the accelerator pedal means you get all the power, right when you want it. That's thanks to instant torque from electric motors, delivering a silent surge of power. There's no engine revving, no gear changes, just smooth, seamless acceleration that feels almost futuristic. But it's not just about speed, it's about efficiency. Electric cars are designed to make the most of every bit of energy stored in their batteries, so you can go further on less. Petrol engines waste most of their energy as heat, while electric motors convert over 90% of battery power into motion. This means less energy is lost and more is used to actually move the car forward. Regenerative braking lets EVs recover energy when slowing down, extending range. Instead of wasting energy as heat, the motor works in reverse to recharge the battery every time you brake. It's like getting free fuel every time you brake. Over time, this clever system can add significant miles to your journey, especially in stop-and-go city traffic. Maintenance is simpler too. No oil changes, spark plugs, or exhaust systems. Electric cars have far fewer moving parts than traditional vehicles, which means there's less that can go wrong. Most upkeep is limited to tires, brakes, and wipers. Even brake pads last longer, thanks to regenerative braking doing much of the work. Over time, owning an EV is cheaper and easier. Lower running costs, fewer trips to the mechanic, and less time spent on routine maintenance all add up to a more convenient ownership experience. The driving experience is smoother, quieter, and more responsive. With no engine noise or vibrations, every journey feels calm and refined, whether you're in city traffic or cruising on the highway. Electric cars are redefining what performance means. It's not just about raw speed, but about delivering power efficiently, with minimal impact on the environment. Efficiency and power go hand in hand. You get the thrill of instant acceleration while using energy in the smartest way possible. It's a smarter way to drive. With every mile, you're not just saving money, you're helping to shape the future of transportation. Now, let's look inside at the tech that makes all this possible.